Linear programming problems. Today we will learn how to solve minimization problems with the help of graphical method. So friends, welcome to my channel Study Ki Lehar. My name is Seema Gupta. Now I will describe you this problem with the help of this video. This is our problem. A farm is engaged in breeding hens. The hens are fed on various products grown in the farm. In view of the need to ensure certain nutrient, call them X, Y, and Z, it becomes necessary to buy two additional products, say A and B. One unit of product A contains 36 units of X, 3 units of Y, and 20 units of Z. 1 unit of product B contains 6 units of X, 12 units of Y, and 10 units of Z. The minimum requirement of X, Y, and Z is 108 units, 36 units, and 100 units respectively. Product A cost Rs 20 per unit and product B Rs 40 per unit. We have to formulate this as a linear programming problem to minimize the total cost and solve this by using graphic method. The data of the given problem can be summarized as under. As you can see in this table we have given these are our nutrients X, Y, and Z, and these are the products. A product has 36 nutrients of X, 3 nutrients of Y, and 20 nutrients of Z. Like this, B product has 6 nutrients of X, 12 nutrients of Y, 10 nutrients of Z. So, cost of product A is Rs 20 and cost of product B is Rs 40. We have to minimize this cost. So now we will solve this problem. So first of all, we will make our minimize function. So we have product A and we have product B. Let's suppose units of product A as X, small x, and units of product B as Y, small y. So our function will be as cost of X is 20, 20x plus Y into 40, 40y. So we can say we have to minimize this function 20x plus 40y because this is the cost function. Now this minimize function has some limitations. So we will make our equations for these limitations as we can say subject to the constant rates. So our first equation will be like this. We have 36 units of X and 6 units of X. So now we will make our equations. As you can see, for X we have 108 nutrients. So the equation will be like this. 36x plus 6y greater than or equal to 108. So this is our first equation. As you can see, 3x plus 12y greater than or equal to 36. This is our second equation. Now third equation, 20x plus 10y greater than or equal to 100. This is our third equation. And x and y greater than or equal to 0. So now we will find our points from these equations. 36x plus 6y greater than or equal to 108. This is our first equation. So if x is equal to 0, then we can say 36 into 0 plus 6y greater than or equal to 108. So we can say x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 18. So if y is equal to 0, then we can say 36x plus 6 into 0 is equal to 108. So we can say x is equal to 3. So the points are 3 and 0, and here points are 0 and 18. This is for first equation. Our second equation is 3x plus 12y greater than or equal to 36. So we can say if x is equal to 0, 3 into 0 plus 12y greater than or equal to 36. So we can say y is equal to 3. So the points are 0 and 3. And if y is equal to 0, then we can say 3x plus 12 into 0 greater than or equal to 36. So we can say x is equal to 12. So the points are 12 and 0. This is for second equation. And now our third equation, 20x plus 10y greater than or equal to 100. So we can say if x is 0, then 20 into 0 plus 10y greater than or equal to 100. So we can say y is equal to 10 and the points are 0 and 10. But if the y is equal to 0, then we can say 20x plus 10 into y greater than or equal to 100. So we can say x is equal to 5 and the points are 5 and 0. So now we will draw these points on the graph paper. As you can see here, this is our graph. Here we will write product A units and here we will write product B units. So these are our points 1, 2, 3, 4 S onwards, and these are also our point on the y axis. So we will draw our points here in this picture. As you can see here, our points are 0, 18 and 3, 0 for our first equation. So we will draw these points on the graph. So you can see here, this is 0 and 18. So this is the point. Now we can say x is 3 and y is 0. So this is the point. We will join these two points. So these are our points. Here 18 and here 3. We will join these points. So we will draw the line here. So this is the line. Now we will write here equation. So this is our equation. Now we will move to our second equation. You can see here, this is our second equation. 3x plus 12y is greater than or equal to 36. And these are the points 0, 3 and 12, 0. We will draw these points on the graph. As you can see, x is 0 and y is 3 in this point. And x is 12 and y is 0 in this point. So we will draw the line. As you can see, x is 0 and y is 3. So this is the point. And for second point, 12. X is 12. So here 12. And y is 0. So this is the point. Now we will join these two points. This point and this point. So we will draw the line like this. So you can see this is the line. Now we will write here equation. So this is our second equation. 3x plus 12y is greater than or equal to 36. Now we will move to our third equation. So this is our third equation. 20x plus 10y is greater than or equal to 100. And these are the points 0, 10. Here x is 0 and y is 10. 5, 0. X is 5 and y is 0. So we will draw these points on the graph. As you can see, x is 0, so this is y is 10. So this is the point. And here 5 and 0. So x is 5 and y is 0, so this is the point. Now we will join these two points. So we will draw the line like this. So this is our line. And the equation is for this line 20x plus 10y greater than or equal to 100. So you can see this is our minimized problem. So this is the region. This is the area. This is our area. So you can see this is the point, first point. This is the second point. This is the third point. And this is the fourth point. We have these 4 points. So we will name these points. As you can see here, P point, this is Q point, this is R point, and this is S. So we will write these points in this table, S, R, Q and P. Now we will find the points. For S point, the point is 18 and 0. Y is 18 and X is 0. So we will write here like this, 0, 18. Now we will find points for R point. So in this picture, we will find R point. You can draw the line like this, here 6. And now you can draw the line like this, here 2. So we have points 6 and 2. 2 is on x-axis and 6 on the y-axis. So we have the point 2 and 6. So we will write here as 2 and 6. Now we will find the point for Q point. Here you can see Q. The line will be like this. And here it is 4. So 2 on the y-axis and 4 is on the x-axis. So the points are 4 and 2. So we will write here 4 and 2. Now we will find points for P point. Here you can see P point is here. So on x-axis it is 12 and y it is 0. So points are 12 and 0. So we can write here 12 and 0. So this is our minimization function. Now we will put these values in this function. As for first point, 0 and 18, x is 0. So we can write here 20 into 0 plus 40 into 18 equal to 720. So here 2 and 6. So 20 into 2 plus 40 into 6 is equal to 280. For the third point, 4 and 2. 20 into 4 plus 40 into 2 is equal to 160. Here 12 and 0. So 20 into 12 plus 40 into 0 is equal to 240. So you can see here, this is our minimum cost, 160. So at this point, Q point 4 and 2, our cost should be 160. And the value of objective function is minimum at the point Q. So this is our minimum point. So student, our sum completes here. I hope you have understood this practical very well. So friends, if you really like this video, then please like and share it and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications of all my coming videos. Thank you for watching this video.